Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. And at the moment, it's fucking crazy. What is happening? I've called the last trades, the last massive moves of Bitcoin in the last days. Everything was correct, I said. And I can prove it. Let me show you. So, yesterday, I called a pump. Let me show you the pump in this video. I called this pump, is what I called it. 16,520, we pumped. Let me show you the video, in the YouTube video from yesterday.
We managed to break this
resistance here.
Which is at the moment at 16,511. If we reach 16,520,
16,520,
I would
put along. That's where I called it. So we made great profit on this one. Let me also show you the Twitter. Yesterday I called the short here. 14 hours I called the short out of this triangle, which was right here, the blue triangle. I called the short out here. I took profit here. Like, to be honest, guys, I took profit here because it was too, I had my stop loss here, so I didn't make too much profit. I just was in a profit area. Still, it's not a loss, it's a profit. The chart came all the way down again. I knew it. Still, I wasn't trading it because it was kind of a weird movement. I'm careful when I see movements like this. So just let me show you 16,695. We dropped exactly on this line, and let me show you something. 16,686, 16 hours ago. 16 hours ago. This was 9 hours. No, this was like 13 or 14 hours ago in my time zone. Yeah. Like, I called even this one. You have to know that the green ones mean long, the red ones mean short. And I've even called this one. So, if you managed, I was asleep, sadly, and I wasn't sure if the chart was coming down, so I didn't set a long. But maybe some of you did. So 16,700 was the area. So I've called all of the last trades. I even called more trades. You can look in my YouTube, you can look in my Twitter. I'm always posting my trades. This is just temporary. I won't do this forever, so you better use it. So my point of view of Bitcoin, you know my point of view. This is the first wave. We have ABC. This is the second wave, and there will be a third wave afterwards into the red area. Red area is from 18.3 to 20k. Oh my god, I didn't want to change it. For now, I see us moving to the yellow area, which is 17.4 to 18.3. Why do I think that? I've also called this area before. I told you when we were here that we're moving down to this area. I've also called that one. So, why do I think that? The wave count here. I think, let me show you something. Where is it? Where is it? I think it must be here. Oh yeah, it's here. Bar pattern. Let me show you something, guys. I do believe that this one is quite similar to this one, and just a little bigger. Like, I think that's the move we're going through. We have a 1 first wave. We have a 1 2 1 2. It's not a usual movement. It's a 1 2 1 2. And then we had the top. Yeah, I think we might see the same here. I think you get the point, like something like this. And we will reach 17,490. 490 is the point where I'm going to short. I'm going to put a short in. And if we drop down before, which is really likely, but we drop down now at 17, I would long. When we hit this line, so 17.22, about this area, I'm about to long. This one can actually be deleted. I just wanted to show you. I called it. Now I'm calling this one, and I'm calling this one for a short. You can also count different the waves. So the important thing is that we go into this yellow area. Yeah, how we do it is, how you count the waves is it's not that easy because we have a lot of 1-2s at the moment. So you can also count it like this. You get this one. You can say this was the first one, this is the second one, we have a retracement, and this one will be the third, then another retracement, and then the third wave of the big one will follow, but it's not the way I see it, because I believe in history. I believe that this move will be pretty much the same as this move. So I think we will come right to this area before we drop even lower. Let me just check. So I would see a drop to maybe to here, to this white line. Seems realistic to me, like 38.2%. We can even drop lower, like this level also seems likely, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. It's hard to predict this because it's yeah, a little far away in the future. So yeah, let me show you something. No, this chart is not interesting to us right now. Here, why am I shorting 17,490? Let me show you. Like all the way up here, 17,490 here. This is also a major resistance, 17,490. So it all matches. You see, we bounce here, we resist, resist, resist. We push through here, and the same thing, in my opinion, will happen here. We will bounce here, we will retrace a little, and then we will push through again, like to this level, and even maybe to this level. All in all, I think we will push to this level, 18,400, 18,300, like close to this area, maybe even higher. It should be higher, to be honest. So we will see. It's hard to predict this stuff because it's so far in the future. I'm predicting those two things right now. It's actually really likely that this happens. I mean, I could be completely wrong, and we see a lot more downside. You know that. All I'm saying here is just my opinion, and it seems really likely to me. I'm counting waves. I'm using Fibonacci retracement, and yeah. So if you trade, it's all your risk. So do proper risk management. I'm going to post some of my trades on Twitter. Actually, nearly all of my trades. Yeah, so you should better follow me. I made a lot of profit in the last few days, and I'm here to help you guys to make a lot of profit too. So yeah, if you like this video, and if you want to have more of those videos, you should like this video and even subscribe me. Yeah, I'm happy to do this, and yeah, we see each other soon. See you guys.